How to share notes on Instagram with close friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your Instagram notes with only your closest friends. This is a great way to keep things more private while still staying connected. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in a DM section at the top left, you will see a profile picture with your note sentence mentioned below it. So simply tap on it. Now you can type anything you like, and once you're done typing your note, to make your note more interesting, you can also add the music if you want to. And once you're done with that, you need to simply tap on the option label followers that you follow back shown just above the keyboard. So once you tap on that, you'll see two options: followers you follow back and close friends. And now to share your note only with your close friends, simply select that option and tap on share. And that's it. Now only your closest friends can see your Instagram notes. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.